Geothermal energy technology is rapidly advancing. Today, we can use local, low-carbon, sustainable geothermal energy for heating and cooling in all sorts of buildings and facilities. And all these systems are possible on the island of Ireland. Here are some examples. In our homes, very shallow geothermal systems can be installed for domestic heating. They typically comprise a series of horizontal, narrow pipes buried up to 3 meters below the surface. The pipes can be coiled in a slinky pattern or laid out back and forth to fill the space. Here, the soil temperatures are around 10 degrees Celsius all year round. 10 degrees may not sound like much, but it can really reduce the energy needed to heat your home. For example, compare the difference in time and therefore energy it takes to boil a kettle filled with ice-cold water or hot water. Horizontal collectors are closed-loop geothermal systems. This means a synthetic fluid continually circulates in the pipes. The heat absorbed by the fluid is transferred to a heat pump, which then adjusts the temperature to the desired level for the household. This scale of geothermal system is also ideal for heating greenhouses, which can help us grow food all year round. A vertical closed-loop collector can be used where outdoor space is limited. These pipes can extend to 200 meters deep. Multiple collectors can be combined to form what's called an array. This increases the amount of heat that can be collected. For example, beneath the car park in IKEA Dublin, there are 158 boreholes, each 15 centimeters in diameter. These collect heat from a depth of up to 120 meters to provide heating and cooling needs for the building. Another way to collect additional heat is to drill fewer but deeper boreholes. The deeper you go, the hotter it gets. On average, the temperature increases by 30 degrees for every 1 kilometer you go down. Boreholes are also used for open-loop geothermal systems. These use naturally heated fluids in the rocks to transport the thermal energy. Fluids can be warm or even hot, depending on the temperature of rocks they flow through. In open-loop systems, fluids are extracted and delivered to a heat exchanger where the heat transfers to the local heating system and into buildings. The natural fluid is then returned back underground where geothermal energy from the earth reheats it. It's a sustainable cycle. Deeper boreholes, for example to 2 kilometers, can provide sufficient energy to heat and cool whole neighborhoods. These are known as geothermal district heating systems and are commonly used across Europe. Whole communities, factories, hospitals, and university campuses can be heated and cooled using this technology. Our search continues for innovative, sustainable geothermal energy solutions. In recent years, scientists have investigated the potential to extract heat from building foundations and underground structures, such as car parks, tunnels, and piles. In areas with old and abandoned mines, mine waters warmed at depth can provide direct geothermal heat. Underground systems can also be used to store heat extracted from industry or data centers. This heat can be used locally at a later time. In fact, using a geothermal system for cooling as well as heating improves the overall efficiency of the system. Geothermal energy systems come in all shapes and sizes. No matter where we are on the island of Ireland, there is a geothermal energy technology solution for all our heating and cooling needs.